Hey you, how you doing? So are you a business owner or a coach right now that is looking to just grow your business, grow your clients through the digital realm, and maybe you don't have the money right now? Literally, we started our entire business with $0, and we're gonna show with you how exactly you can do that yourself. Or
You don't have the exact strategy, the systems, the actual simplified way of doing business. Because today is the exact time that you need to implement these exact same principles to get the results that you've been dreaming of.
maybe you're sitting here watching this like, look, I already am making 6 figures in my business. I have a challenge with how I'm gonna scale out my business to 7 figures, right? Or teach my team exactly how to generate leads for me. Well, we have the solution for you within the strategy that we're gonna share with you, right? You can get access today and make it happen. Before that, comment below and let us know which one of those 3 challenges that we just shared with you want the solution to, and we're gonna give you access to that. All right, talk to you soon.